Hello, everyone, and welcome to lesson number 10 with the school closed. So, after this week, only one more lesson before we finish for summer. So, well done, all of you who have continued following the course. So, Undercover Boss. What does undercover mean? Well, undercover, shh, it's a secret. Okay? If something is undercover, if you do something undercover, you don't want people to know you are doing it, like a spy. Okay, so you're going to read and listen about a television program called Undercover Boss. Okay? You can listen and read at the same time. If this is difficult to see, you can look at the copies I put in the email. So, when you are listening, forget about the spaces. And think of this question. Why is he working undercover? Playing now. You follow here.
3.55 Undercover Boss. Undercover Boss is a TV show where different bosses work undercover. They want to know more about their workers and about problems in their companies. In episode 1, David Clark, the boss of a big hotel chain, is working undercover for a week in one of his hotels. He usually works in an office, but today he's working in a hotel. He usually wears a suit, but today he's wearing jeans and a t-shirt. He usually has important meetings, but today he's working in the bedrooms. He usually finishes work at 6, but today he's working at 8.
Okay. Why is he working undercover? To know more about the workers and about problems in the company. Did you get that? Any words you don't know, please use a dictionary or Google Translate to help you. Now, we have 3 verbs here: have, wear, and work. They go in these spaces. Do you think we need present simple or present continuous? Please press pause to have a think. What do you think? Present continuous or present simple each time? Then you can listen again to check. So, press pause. Think of what tense, present simple or present continuous. And when you're ready, listen again to check.
3.55 Undercover Boss. Undercover Boss is a TV show where different bosses work undercover. They want to know more about their workers and about problems in their companies. In episode 1, David Clark, the boss of a big hotel chain, is working undercover for a week in one of his hotels. He usually works in an office, but today he's working in a hotel. He usually wears a suit, but today he's wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
He usually wears a suit, but today he is wearing jeans and a t-shirt. Present continuous because it's only today, not normally, only today. He is wearing jeans and a t-shirt. Let's continue.
He usually has important meetings, but today he's working in the bedrooms.
He usually has important meetings, but today he is working in the bedrooms. So he usually has. Present simple because it's usually, normally, every day. And the last, present simple or present continuous.
He usually finishes work at 6, but today he's working at 8.
He usually finishes work at 6, but today he is working at 8. Is working. Present continuous because it's today. I hope you got those all. So, complete the rules with every day and today or now. Use the present simple to talk about. Use the present continuous to talk about, well, every day. If you do something every day, you use the present simple. Every day I go for a walk. Every day I work. I get up early. I have breakfast in the morning. Present simple. Every day. Normally. Usually. And present continuous. Things only happening today or now or at the moment. I am relaxing today because I am not working today. I am going to the beach today because the sun is shining today. Present continuous for things happening now. Okay, let's have another look at the grammar. So, compare. I work in an office. I usually wear a suit. Present simple because it's normally true. It's something that happens every day or most days. But number 2, today I'm working at home. I'm wearing jeans at the moment, today. So remember, we use the present simple for things we usually do and things that are normally true. We often use the present simple with always, usually, sometimes, never. For example, I sometimes have lunch in my office. I never get up early on Saturday. But we use the present continuous for things happening now, at the moment, or today. Okay? So now you're going to practice some more. For this exercise, please write in your notebooks your answers each time you put present simple or present continuous. Only one is correct. Look at the example. James usually, normally, present simple. James usually goes to university in the morning, but today, today, now, present continuous. He is studying at home. Okay? Number 1, number 2, and number 5 are conversations. Two people speaking, person A and person B. Okay? So in your books, please write your answers. Press pause to do this exercise. And when you're ready, there is a second exercise. Okay, here it is. Again, use present simple or present continuous of the verb in brackets. For example, do you usually walk to work? Usually, present simple. And this time it's a question. Okay, so be careful. There are some questions, maybe some negatives. and you think each time present simple or present continuous. Please press pause and write your answers on a piece of paper to photograph and email me if possible. Okay, when you're ready, let's continue with the program Undercover Boss. You're going to listen to more of the program. Please press pause to read all these sentences. Make sure you understand them all. Use a dictionary or Google Translate if there's something you don't understand. Okay? Then, when you are ready, you listen and say each time, true or false. Playing now.
Undercover Boss, Episode 1 Summary. Monday.
David says he's a new worker and that his name is Andy. The other workers don't know who he really is. Today, he's working in the kitchen. He's washing the dishes. The people in the kitchen usually work 80 hours a week. One of the ovens isn't working, but David thinks the food is good.
Tuesday.
Today, he's working in the bedrooms. Next week is a hotel inspection. The workers are repairing things, but only in the rooms for the hotel inspector. They aren't repairing things in the other rooms. David is angry, but he can't say anything.
Wednesday.
Today, David is working in the restaurant. He's serving breakfast. He's wearing a uniform, a white jacket and a hat. The waiters and waitresses always work very hard.
Thursday.
David is cleaning rooms. The workers only have a quarter of an hour to clean a room. David is working very hard. He's very tired. At the end of the week, David says, "I'm not Andy, I'm David Clark, your boss." The workers are very surprised. After the program, David changes some things in the company. He gives the good workers more money.
Okay, did you get them all? If you don't, remember you can rewind and repeat this part. Okay, so you write on a piece of paper true or false for all your answers. Okay, this is the end of the first video. The second video will be a little bit shorter, I think. So see you in a minute on the second video.